This cat is called sum of triangular numbers. Here we have examples of triangular numbers. What we have to do is to basically add them up and return the result. That's it. Let's go. Well, let's start with the first test case. That is 6, and that should return 56. This is the pattern that we have to follow, and this is the pattern visually represented. And what we basically have to do is to find the algorithm. So what I want to do is to start iterating. So for a triangle in the range, and we start with 1 and we stop at the argument plus 1. So we have 6 iterations, print triangle. And what I want to do is to find the square, so to say. So multiply the triangle with the triangle. That is in the right direction. It's a bit off because a triangle is half a rectangle. What I want to do is to basically divide it by 2. Yeah, but there is something off. Yeah, as you can see, we have to add up 1 with the triangle here. And that is the algorithm. 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, and 21. So let's assign that to triangle here. The sum is equal to 0. Oh, what we basically can do is to just add it directly to sum, but plus equals, and then return the sum. That should be 56. Yeah, okay. That's it basically. Well, let's test it out. Attempt. And there we go. Passed all the tests. Hope this has been useful, that you learned something from it. I'll thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.